Well, good morning, everyone. I'm really excited. I've got two excited ladies on the call today because they've received some amazing news this week. And the ladies concerned are Tady Hampshire-Haig, and also we've got Lindsay Dolman. Good morning.
Morning.
Good
Hey,
morning.
I'm here, Derek.
Good morning. Now, just
Good
before
morning.
we go into sharing this wonderful news that you received, because when I heard this first time, I thought, no, that's not possible. That's unbelievable. But just share with us your background and why you got involved with this company. Let's start with Lindsay first.
Hey, hi everyone. So I got involved about 18 months ago. My full-time job's a nurse, which anyone who knows me knows I won't give up my job. I love my job. But there's a lot of pressure on nursing. I wanted to reduce my hours a little bit. I wanted some extra holidays. So I got involved mainly for that reason, which it's allowed me now to go part-time with my nursing.
Amazing. And Tady.
So I joined 2 years ago. I'm Tony, mum of three. I work from home, run a couple of businesses. I initially turned this opportunity down twice before and kicked myself every day thinking about that. But here I am now. I joined for the money. But actually, over the 2 years that I've been part of this business, it's turned into so much more than just that. The community is amazing. And this business has allowed me to change personally, professionally, mentally, and financially.
Just tell me what happened. What happened earlier this week for you, Tady, when you opened a letter from the company?
Amazing. So I got free energy this month. My bill completely wiped with the energy that we spend, and we spend quite a lot on that at home. So
And
yeah, very excited.
what does that mean to you, being able to save that amount each month? What does that actually mean to you? How are you going to use that?
I've got three kids at home, Derek, which cost me a fortune every month. So every penny and pound saved. I think just not only it's free energy that's going to help massively because the energy cap has gone up, as we know, for a lot of people this month, but actually just being with a company associated with a company that keeps on giving. Which energy provider out there do you know that gives away free energy?
Amazing. And Lindsay, free energy is a no, if someone said, "Do you want free energy?" Oh, yes, please. But your role is all about helping people, and I know that you've helped a lot of people actually in our current business. How excited are you to be able to go to them and say, "I can do even more for you"?
As soon as I got my free energy, I was really excited, and I've gone back to all of my customers and offered them the same opportunity. It's not just for me. I've said to them, we need to get you free energy now, and you need to upgrade your account. You need to get on board. It's really good fun. You're saving people money, and you get genuinely free energy.
And the other thing is that we haven't mentioned is that by doing that, we get paid. We get
Yeah.
paid to help people get free energy who also get paid. And it sounds unbelievable, but are we talking about a lot of activity each month in order to do that?
So with activity wise, I do something every day, but as in time wise, not a lot of hours. I put in a couple of hours a week. I do a little bit every day. I just speak to people as I go along, asking if I can save them money. I regularly offer people the opportunity that are looking for ways to make more money as well.
A company actually pays well for us to bring a client in to help them reduce their costs. In terms of how many sort of customers a month would I have to bring in to qualify for this initiative?
One customer, perhaps two if you want a little bit more money there. But this opportunity, we're at the forefront where we can help so many people across the UK save money. And I'm talking on average between 500 to £1,000 plus a year right now is what we're seeing in the team and what we're saving customers. But to be able to weave this into the spare time that you have day, evening, weekends. And we have so many people on the team that are doing just that from all walks of life. We've got police officers, we've got teachers, we've got nurses, everyday people that are utilizing this opportunity to earn an additional income because I think it's needed right now, isn't it?
You know, we're talking about, say, a couple of customers. I mean, that's worth £600 in terms of a bonus paid out to you, isn't it? Amazing. And also free energy. And one of the things that I wanted to mention here, because you're not alone in terms of the work that you do and this extra role that you have to earn extra income, because you're one of 20 million. I don't know if you knew that.
We are indeed. 20 million people in the UK, right, that are either needing or wanting to earn an additional income because of the cost of living. So we can help people save money and we can help people earn money.
In the comfort of your home. Lindsay, you often talk about just sitting in front of the fire with a cup of cocoa, helping someone to reduce their costs. That must be better than riding around delivering people's food in the freezing cold or up all night driving people home after a party. I mean, there are easier ways to earn money, and I can't believe of a more exciting and a more relaxing way of earning money and helping people save money.
100%, Derek. I say that all the time. They say, how do you compare it? And I say, I go back to my nursing again. I do love my nursing. It's exhausting. We do long 12-hour shifts. And very often on the next day, I say to people, like, here's my cup of tea. I'm sitting, the dog's asleep at my feet. I'm just giving somebody a quick comparison, seeing if I can save them money. If I don't talk too much, which often I do, I can do it in about 20 minutes, half an hour. And I earn the same amount of money, often more than I did for a full 12-hour shift of nursing. And one call, then I can carry on my day.
Well, look, I just want to say congratulations. You know, if anyone listening in to this call wants to know, you know, the value of this scheme alone, okay, with a couple of customers a month, is worth about 10K to you over the year. So 10K, if that could come in useful for you and your family right now, just get in touch with us, and we'd be happy to show you how the whole scheme works and get you started. Maybe you too become a member of our free energy club. Thanks very much. Take care.